Sa wakas, nandito na ako. Malapit na. Malapit na ulit tayo magkita.
No, and then kakarating lang natin ng Chiang Mai. So I want to explore the area muna. And look how gorgeous that is.
Franny nga pala. Bagong volunteer teacher dito sa Papundao.
Hey guys, it's me, it's Franny, your BL bestie, and we are finally here at Chiang Mai, Thailand. We are currently at Tapi Gate. It is a famous tourist spot here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So this is a preserved city gates from ancient times, guys. Oh my god, sobrang tagal na itong gate na to. And this is also a famous space for local or community events. Actually, right there, there is a stage set up for Yinpeng Festival 2024. Normally, kapag mga morning, meron ditong mga ibon, mga kalapati, ganyan, that you can feed. Pero sobrang aga pa, it's currently 5:30 in the morning. That's why wala pang mga ibon.
คนนั้นแต่เพียงได้พบเหมือนเรานั้นเคยพบเจอในฝันหัวใจ
Hey guys, so we are currently at the filming location of A Tale of a Thousand Stars. So dito bumaba si Ian from the bus na sinakyan niya papuntang Chiang Mai. Noong nag-decide siya na pumunta siya dun sa village kung saan nagturo si Tarfan. So ito yung exact station. This is Chiang Mai Bus Terminal 2, platform number 18. Ayan.
So we are currently at Chiang Mai Bus Terminal 3, and if you want to go to Chiang Rai, this is where you can buy the ticket. So we got our ticket from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. So alis yung bus ng 7:15 and makakarating tayo ng 11. So we need to go to platform 20 or 21. And this is it. Ayan. I think it's this one. Guys, so we made it here at Chiang Rai. So nandito tayo sa Chiang Rai Bus Terminal 1. And then, ang ating agenda ay pupunta sa Long Neck Village kasi doon located yung Papundao Village. And then, basta nakalimutan ko na ibang mga pangalan pumunta natin. But, doon muna yung first. So, let's go. Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Long Neck Karen Village. So, this is a hill tribe village dito sa Chiang Rai, and somewhere here is the location of A Tale of a Thousand Stars. So yung bahay mismo ni Tian, and then yung village mismo na ginawa nila doon sa series is dito located. So pupuntahan natin siya. So they are open daily from 7 AM to 7 PM, and then there is an entrance fee pero walang nakalagay kung magkano. So
E nem que gostamos muito também, né?
So this is a sample of what they wear. And like guys, pwede nyo siyang timbangin like kung gano'n siya kabigat. Ang bigat! Oh my god! Ang bigat niya guys. 2.5 kilos. Oh my god. Ang bigat niya. Shucks. I can only imagine kung gano'n siya kabigat pag suot mo. Grabe ang bigat niya. Let's pay. So the entrance is 300 baht. So di ka. Sorry.
300 for one person.
300. Here. Okay, and then connect.
So this way down.
This way down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
100 meters.
So ito, binigyan niya tayo ng map. 100 meters daw yung buong village. Ayan guys, may mga guide maps naman sila, so hindi ka maliligaw. May mga signage din sila. Binabasa ko yung pamphlet na binigay ni Kuya. And hindi lang pala Long Neck Village yung or like yung Long Neck people yung yung tribe na nandito. There are more tribes. Actually dun sa may labas, diba nakita natin sila. So yun ding Aka. And also hindi ko mabasa isa. At mamaya na maglapad muna tayo. So this is the Aka village. Ayan guys, so may mga binibenta sila dito. Yan, this is one way of helping the tribes people. So, ayan, nagbibenta sila ng mga accessories, ng mga damit. Ayan. I think this is just 100 baht. You can take a photo wearing these and then it's just for 50 baht. Oh. Oh guys, so they will dance. Tapos you can just give donations. also join. Si Kuya Samali. Oh my god, so dito na yung filming location ng 8 Dots. So bahala na muna kayo dyan mga kasama ko. At ako ay pupunta dito. So dito siya sa Lahu Village. A Tale of 1,000 Stars. So I think dito siya. Hey guys, so we are here at the filming location of A Tale of 1,000 Stars. So dito, sinut yung mga school scenes sa A Tale of 1,000 Stars. Guys, so rundown na siya. Yung blackboard na lang natira. Well, ang tagal-tagal na rin naman kasi ng 8 Dots. Pero diba? It's safe. It's safe. Guys, I don't know if nakikita nyo, pero nakasabit pa dito yung mga paper cranes na ginawa nila from the series. Ayan, and then yung blackboard, tapos yung mga upuan. Hindi ko alam kung safe pang tumapak dito, parang hindi na, kaya hindi na ako tatapak sa loob. Kaya, and then andun din ata yung mga drawings nila, oh. Guys, I don't know if nakikita nyo, pero ayun yung bahay ni Tian. Ayun siya. So, puntahan natin yan. Ang init. Okay, so ito na yung bahay ni Tian. There. I don't know if pwedeng pumasok. Walang tao eh. Ito, Kap. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng pumasok. Tot Kap.
เธอไม่เหมือนกับคนที่เคยฝันใฝ่และตัวฉันก็คงไม่ใช่ใครคนนั้นแต่เพียงได้พบเหมือนเรานั้นเคย
Hey guys, it's me, it's Franny, your real bestie, and nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Tian sa A Tale of 1,000 Stars. Ayan. So tara, mag-tour tayo. So ito yung daan, ayan. Tapos ito yung mismong bahay niya. So ayan, naupo sila dyan, oh my god. Tapos dumadungaw sila dito, oh, sa bitana na yan. Tapos, ayan. So ito yung hagdan papasok. Ayan, tapos oh my god. Ayan, dito sila nagluluto. Yan, pinagluluto ni Chip si Tian. Ayan, tapos dito sila kumakain. And then of course, ito yung entrance. Yung pintuan, ito yun. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Oh my god, ito yun. Kaya lang wala na yung kulambo. Ayan. Ito yung bahay ni Tian. Hey guys, so andito pa rin tayo sa bahay ni Tian na ginamit sa A Tale of a Thousand Stars. So ang hangin-hangin lang dito kaya nandito pa ako. So ito lang naman yung locations na nandito, yung school and then itong bahay ni Tian. So napunta natin parehas. So I think we're good. We can go to another filming location na. Ayan, so ang funny lang na hindi ko nasasama sa video at ayoko talaga isama sa video kasi nag-quick change pa ako dito be. Para lang magawa yung content na gusto ko. So sana okay na yun. Though syempre nahiya pa din ako. Like, hindi ko pa rin siya 100% na-push ng masyado. Pero, feeling ko okay naman na yun. Like, for fun lang. So, ayan. Tignan mo, ito yung suot ko kanina. Tapos, may isa pa akong damit na ginamit. For the quick change on person, di ba? So, ayan. Tapos, meron na ako shoot na dalawang scene. Tapos, okay na ako, I think. So, guys, we're done with the filming locations of 8 Thoughts. And so, ngayon naman ay andito na tayo sa Kaya Village o yung Long Neck Karen Village. So, dito daw yung exit. Kayor. Ayan, ito na yung Long Neck, guys. Ayan na sila. Ayan sila. Ayan, nagtitinda din sila ng mga products. Ayan, so nagwe-wave sila ng mga ayan. And then we can donation box for the school.
Huh?
Sorry. sorry. Ayan, merong local hill tribe homestay. So, pwede ka magstay here if you wanted to. Friends of the Hill Tribes Foundation. Sa exit. And alam niyo ba guys na parang as older you get, mas madami yung bakal na nilalagay sa leeg nila. And grabe, hindi biro yung bigat ng bakal. Hindi siya biro. So exit. Hindi biro yung bigat ng bakal, kaya grabe, you would wonder talaga how hindi ko na alam yung sabihin ko. You would wonder gaano kabigat yung sa kanila, diba? Yung suot-suot nila. Oy, Chip, sakto, andyan ka.
Saan ako pwedeng maligo? Alam mo ikaw, hindi ko rin alam talaga minsan kung pipi ka o tamad ka lang magsalita. Tignan mo to, kinakausap, nilayasan ako. Sandali! Oy, Chief! Maligo ka na! Dali na! Maligo ka na kasi! Basa ka na, oh! Eh? Chief naman! Oh my God! Oh my... Hindi ako tumitingin, ha? Oh my... Chief, ba't ka ganyan? Ano ba? Parang tanga to. Nagubad ka na lang basta-basta. Ay!
เธอไม่เหมือนกับคนที่เคยฝันใฝ่และตัวฉันก็คงไม่ใช่ใครคนนั้น